Hey everyone, wanted to do a quick video showing off my Swerve Drive control system in RoboCo. So to start off with, what is a Swerve Drive Train? Well, a Swerve Drive Train is one consisting of these Swerve capsules. You can see there's three main components. You have the rotating motor, the drive motor, and the IMU. So if we go ahead and put into action, we can see that the rotate motor is able to swivel all the wheels independently. Right now they're all facing the right direction, but we can switch them to any direction. And then the drive motors are able to drive the wheels in that direction. And then the IMU allows the system to more accurately tell where the rotation is of each capsule. Now you don't need 6 wheels exactly, or in this configuration you need at least 3. Uh, I did 6 in this weird shape right here, but the code works with any amount of wheels. If we tab over to the code here, we can see this is what the setup looks like in the code. You just have to feed it your main IMU on the robot, this main IMU here, where that's connected to the pin in the controller, as well as where every single swerve module is with its XY offset from the center, so it understands how to turn the robot, as well as the drive, rotate, and IMU, what pins they are connected to. And there's also controls here if you wanted to edit them, but this is your basic setup for how to describe how to control. The other cool thing that it has is controller support. So right now I'm doing this with a keyboard and mouse. You can see how I'm doing the four orthogonal directions, but if I start using the controller, see it starts to bug out every now and again, but I get more granular control of where I want to take the robot. The other side effect from the way that I did it is I have control of what I call the ghost offset, so I can change where the rotation point is. So you can see now that I'm rotating, I'm just, telling it to rotate left and right, but it's rotating around a point in front of the robot. So this would be especially helpful if I have like a mechanism in the front. So instead of maybe this wheel or this capsule being here, maybe I have some mechanism that, the robot relies on. And when I approach something, I don't want the turn to move it a lot. So I can very precisely rotate my robot around the main component that it has. I also added some support for some other styles of capsules. So you can see these are the two-wheel system. And if I just switch over the configuration file within the source, then I can switch over to different styles. And these even have to counter-rotate around this whenever it rotates them. So, yep, it handles everything for you within the code. You just have to set it up properly, and of course, all the code, the GitHub is going to be linked in the description if you want to check it out yourself.